Once upon a time, the seven little kids were with the mother at home. The mother goat went to the forest to get something to eat.
Little kids, come here and listen to me. I'm going to the forest to get something to eat. Be careful with the big bad wolf. Don't open the door, okay? Okay, Mother. We will not open the door. Okay, bye. The wolf went to the seven little kids' house and knocked the door. Knock, knock, knock. Open the door. There are children. It's your mother. And I've got something delicious for each one of you. No, no, no. We will not open the door. You are not our mother. She has sweet voice and your voice is rough. You are the big bad wolf. Away, wolfie.
The wolf went to the shop to buy a packet of chalk.
What can I do? I've got an idea. I'm going to the shop to buy a packet of chalk. I'm going to the shop. I'm going to buy a packet of chalk. Hello, Mr. Wolf. Can I help you? There's a packet of chalk here. White chalk? Of color chalk? White chalk, please. Here you are, but do you eat chalk? Yes, I eat chalk. Okay, goodbye. Bye. A little bit more. Some chalk. Open the door, there are children. A little bit more. Open the door, there are children. A little bit more. Open the door, there are children. Knock, knock, knock. Open the door, there are children. It's your mother, and I've got something delicious for each one of you. It's our mother.
Well, hey, look, I can see Blackfeet, the big bad wolf.
No, no, no. We will not open the door. You are not our mother. She has white feet and your feet are rough. You are the big bad wolf. Away, wolfie.
The wolf went to the baker's to buy a packet of flour.
What can I do? I've got an idea. I'm going to the baker's to buy a packet of flour. I'm going to the baker's. I'm going to buy a packet of flour. Hello, Mr. Wolf. Can I help you? I've got cakes, donuts, fresh bread. I don't know the delicious cakes, fresh bread, donuts. I want the seven little kids. The seven little kids? No, a packet of flour.
The seven little kids open the door and try to hide.
I said hide under the chair.
Okay, number 2, come quickly, hide in the cupboard. I said, thank you, cupboard, thank you.
Little kids number 3, come quickly. I said come quickly and be hide under the table.
Thank you. Little kid number 4, come quickly and hide behind the door.
Thank you.
Little kids number 5, come quickly. I said, come quickly. Hide under the carpet. Okay, thank you, carpet.
Little kid number 6, come quickly. I said come quickly. Hide under the bed.
Okay, yes, thank you.
I said, come quickly. Under the clock.
Little kid, where are you?
Sir, have you seen the little kid number 1?
No, not here. It's behind the curtain.
Let me look under the chair. Where are you? Have you seen the little kid number 2? No, not here. Let me look in the cupboard. Where is it? Table, have you seen the little kid number 3?
No,
Let me look under the table. No, not here. Let me look behind. Wait. Carpet, have you seen the little kid number 5? No, not here. It's not yours. Let me look under the carpet. Well, have you seen the little kid number 6?
no, not here. It's not yours.
Let me look under the bed. Look, have you seen the little kid number 7?
No, not here. It's in the toilet.
Let me look in the clock. No, not here. Let me look under the clock. No, not here. Let me look under the clock. No, not here. Oh, I'm tired. I'm going to sleep under the big tree. The big raccoon went to the big tree and gone, and the mother goat went to the 7 little kids' house. Knock, knock, open the door, dear children. It's your mother, and I was something delicious for each one of you. Little kids, where are you?
The big raccoon ate your kids.
For my little kids?
No, one here inside the clock. The big raccoon was sitting on my sister now and brother, so now he's sleeping under the big tree.
Take the scissors and needles and see.
Okay, let's go.
Scissors. Cut, little kids. Number 1. Cut, little kids. Number 2. Cut, little kids. Number 4. Mommy. Cut, little kids.
the 7th kids and Mother Goat were very happy and started singing and dancing. Akirisabot, 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 baby, Akirisabot, 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 baby, true. Akirisabot, 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 baby, Akirisabot, 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 baby, true. Akirisabot.
The furniture.